My boy,
Sure, Mr. Boss.
did you see Tibos today?
Yes, I do see Chubos when I don't know what.
Bruh, Tibos stealing my USB.
How come Chubos told you yes because it's your best friend or?
No, he's just visiting to my house and then after him, doesn't see my USB.
So I'm trying to say Chubos stole your USB and left.
My USB, bruh, got everything there, software, everything, my pictures, my music, everything.
Yeah, you have to talk to him, bruh.
Wait, when it's...
Morning, boss. How are you?
Don't say morning, bruh. Don't say morning.
How is it? I'm calling you.
No, guys. Where's my USB?
Which USB?
My USB, the time I'm coming to my house, do you remember?
Yes, I came to your
Why
house.
after it doesn't see my USB?
So I came to your house. Now you're saying I stole your USB.
Why after it doesn't see?
No. Do you have the proof and the evidence what you're talking?
No, don't.
Do you know that I can sue you?
No.
Do you know it's a crime?
No, don't put the police inside.
Likey